You've probably heard this before: eating healthy is expensive. But what if I told you that's just a myth? In reality, you can nourish your body with whole, nutrient-packed foods without spending a fortune. Today, I'm sharing a beginner's guide to eating healthy on a budget. Practical, easy steps that will help you fuel your body and save money at the same time. 1. Plan your meals before you shop. The biggest money trap is walking into a grocery store without a plan. When you don't have a list, it's easy to overspend on snacks, impulse buys, and packaged foods. Instead, sit down once a week and plan out your meals. Write a detailed shopping list based on what you actually need. Stick to the list when you shop. This simple habit alone can save you $20, $50 a week. 2. Buy in bulk, but only what you'll use. Bulk bins aren't just for people with big families. Staples like brown rice, oats, beans, lentils, nuts and seeds can be bought in bulk at a lower price per pound. Just make sure you're buying foods you'll actually use, because wasted food equals wasted money. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video on healthy living made simple. 3. Shop for seasonal and local produce. Fresh produce can get pricey, especially when it's out of season. Focus on buying fruits and vegetables that are in season where you live. Shopping at local farmers markets or produce stands for deals. Choosing frozen fruits and veggies, they're just as nutritious and often cheaper. Seasonal shopping is not only budget-friendly but also supports local farmers. 4. Cook more, eat out less. Grabbing takeout or dining out might seem convenient, but those meals often cost 3 to 5 times more than cooking at home. Instead, prepare simple meals in batches. Make large salads, soups, or casseroles you can enjoy over multiple days. Learn a few basic recipes, nothing fancy that you can rotate through. Your wallet and your waistline will thank you. 5. Embrace meatless meals. Animal protein is often the most expensive item on your grocery list. Try swapping meat for beans, eggs, tofu, or tempeh. Lentils. These plant-based proteins are affordable, versatile, and packed with nutrients. Start with just 1 or 2 meatless meals a week and see the savings add up. Which of these tips do you already use? Or do you have a secret budget-saving strategy of your own? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your tips. 6. Limit packaged and processed foods. Packaged snacks, sugary drinks, and pre-made meals may seem cheap up front, but they're often more expensive per serving than whole foods. And they're loaded with empty calories. Instead, focus on whole, single-ingredient foods like sweet potatoes, leafy greens, fresh or frozen fruits, nuts and seeds. You'll get more nutrition for your dollar and feel more satisfied. 7. Get creative with leftovers. Leftovers aren't boring, they're budget gold. Instead of throwing them out, repurpose last night's veggies into a stir-fry. Turn leftover chicken into wraps or salads. Use bones and veggie scraps to make homemade broth. Wasting less means spending less. 8. Drink more water. Skip sugary drinks. Sodas, energy drinks, and even fancy bottled waters add up fast. The cheapest and healthiest beverage is right at your tap. Invest in a good reusable water bottle. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries for flavor. Aim for 8-10 cups a day. Your body and budget will both feel better. Recap. 8 tips for eating healthy on a budget. Here's a quick recap of today's guide. Plan your meals and make a shopping list. Buy in bulk only what you'll use. Choose seasonal and local produce. Cook more meals at home. Embrace meatless meals. Avoid packaged and processed foods. Get creative with leftovers. Drink more water. Eating healthy on a budget is possible. It's not about fancy superfoods or complicated recipes. It's about making smart, intentional choices that nourish your body and save you money. If you're ready to take control of your health without breaking the bank, subscribe now for weekly videos on living well, eating smart, and feeling your best. Drop a comment below. Your journey to affordable, healthy eating starts today.